How to align your skills with job qualifications.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our guide on how to meet job qualifications for your dream role. In this video, we'll be diving into understanding job qualifications, aligning your skills, and finally how to present yourself as the perfect fit.
What are job qualifications?
Job qualifications are the education, skills, and work experience that an employer considers necessary for a specific position. These can vary significantly from job to job. They may include specific educational degrees, technical skills, soft skills, years of experience, or certain types of experience.
How to align your skills.
Aligning your skills with a job's qualifications involves some introspection and research. Identify your key skills and match them with the qualifications listed in the job posting. Don't forget to include your soft skills such as problem solving, leadership, and communication. If there are gaps in the required qualifications and your skills, consider whether you can bridge these gaps. You could potentially do this through additional training, online courses, or gaining experience through volunteer work or internships.
Presenting your skills.
The way you present your skills is crucial in convincing employers that you meet the job qualifications. In your resume, tailor your skill set to match the job qualifications. This might mean emphasizing different skills or experiences for different jobs. In your cover letter, show how you've used your skills to achieve specific outcomes. For instance, if the job requires leadership skills, talk about a time when your leadership led to a successful project or positive change. During the job interview, give concrete examples of how you've used your skills in the past. These examples should be relevant to the job you're applying for and demonstrate your competence in the required qualifications. Meeting job qualifications doesn't necessarily mean having every single skill or experience listed in the job posting. It's about understanding what the employer is looking for, aligning your skills with these requirements, and presenting your skills in a way that convinces the employer that you're the right person for the job. Remember, each application is a unique opportunity to showcase your value. Good luck in your job search, and we hope this guide helps you land your dream role.